In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make your own custom sound on TikTok and use it across the platform just like any other audio. Whether you want to add your voice, a piece of music, or any unique sound you've created, this method works perfectly and is beginner friendly. So if you've been wondering how people upload their own sounds to TikTok, keep watching because I'll walk you through everything in a simple and clear way. To start, you'll need to create a short video file that contains the audio you want to use. TikTok won't accept audio by itself, so you need the sound attached to a video clip. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be anything fancy. You can record your voice, capture copyright-free music from YouTube, or use any sound source as long as it becomes an MP4. A screen recording app works great for this. I'm using AZ Screen Recorder for this tutorial, but you can use any built-in or third-party recorder on your device. The goal here is just to make sure the audio is saved as a video. Once your clip is ready, open the TikTok app and tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Go to the upload option and select the video you just recorded. When it loads, tap next and let TikTok process it. After that, tap next again. At this point, it's important to post the video publicly. TikTok can only generate a reusable sound from a public video, so even if you plan to delete it later, make sure you keep it public for now. After the video posts, close TikTok completely and open it again. Go to your profile, open the video you uploaded, and look for the sound icon at the bottom right corner. Tap it, and you'll see your audio labeled as Original Sound. From here, you can rename the sound, add it to your favorites, or start using it in new videos right away. Once you name it and confirm, TikTok will save it for future use, just like any other sound on the platform. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created your own TikTok sound, and now you can use it in as many videos as you like. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to leave a like, drop a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.